Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to success in the real estate industry. In today's video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips to help beginner realtors thrive in this competitive market. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Build a strong foundation. Establish a solid understanding of real estate principles, market trends, and local regulations. Knowledge is power, and it will make you stand out from the crowd. Tip 2. Network, network, network. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with experienced realtors. Building a strong network will open doors to potential clients and invaluable advice. Tip 3. Utilize technology. Embrace digital tools like social media, websites, and virtual tours to showcase your listings and reach a wider audience. Technology is your ally when it comes to marketing and staying ahead in this digital age. Tip 4. Provide exceptional customer service. Going above and beyond for your clients will leave a lasting impression. Communicate effectively, be responsive, and always strive to exceed expectations. Tip 5. Never stop learning. Take advantage of professional development opportunities, attend seminars, and stay up to date with industry trends. Continuous learning will ensure your skills remain sharp and relevant. Remember, success in real estate is achievable with dedication, perseverance, and these valuable tips. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insights and exciting content. Good luck on your real estate journey.